Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 picks for the best car emergency kits that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Gear Roadside Assistance Kit. With a decent assortment of higher quality supplies than many of the kits we've researched, the Top Gear Kit gets our top pick for best emergency car kits. The high visibility reflective safety vest, warning triangle and 12-hour light sticks are designed to keep you safe while you work on your vehicle. The LED flashlight works with a hand squeeze pump, so you never have to worry about keeping fresh batteries on hand. Second on the list is the Auto Club Hero Premium Car. If the name is any indication, the manufacturers of this emergency kit think it's pretty amazing, and we agree. But its all-inclusiveness comes with a triple-digit price that knocks its hero status down a notch. Still, with cold weather supplies like hand warmers, fire starters, and an ice scraper, this kit is great if you live in chilly climate where you could get stranded in a winter storm. It also includes emergency food and water so you don't have to starve if you get stuck. Last up is the Victor Covered Emergency Road Kit. If you're not ready to fork out serious cash for your emergency kit, the Victor Covered offers the key basics for around $50. If you get a flat tire, the tire sealant can patch it in a hurry, and the air compressor can get you rolling in no time. The rain poncho will keep you dry in wet weather, and the included blanket is actual fabric, not mylar, and can warm you up or help with first aid. The flashlight does require batteries, but they're included with the kit. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.